Ladies, it's time to step up your skincare game because heavy contour makeup looks is out and healthy, more natural makeup is now in. From bushy eyebrows to lip gloss and everything in between, today we're going to help you put your best face forward by showing you the hottest makeup looks to try and the ones to avoid in 2019. Bushy, fuller eyebrows. Pencil drawn and brows are now being replaced with fuller, thicker brows that don't need to be tweezed often. Deemed unruly in years past, the natural arches and fuller areas of the brow are now preferred. This style of brow can be kept groomed by brushing upwards and by adding in a few strokes to create a fuller effect. If you don't have naturally thick brows, many girls can use soap as well to help their hair stay in place and appear thicker in texture. Natural lashes. For the past few years, we reached for glue and over-the-top lash strips, but now we're sticking to simple mascara and natural lash extensions. Opt for clean lashes by simply curling your natural lashes before going out, or stick with fuss-free eyelash extensions to give you a volumized look without having to fool around with mascara. Glass skin. While some may have neglected their skin and instead opted for makeup to cover up what's underneath, the ones who have maintained a well-balanced skincare routine will now be rewarded. Glowing, healthy skin is now high on the radar, with glass skin sitting at the top of the list. For those with less than perfect skin, simple fixes with foundation powder and tinted moisturizer can help you pull off a more natural complexion. Just remember not to contour to perfection and allow your skin to breathe to maintain overall health. Natural blushes. Want to make your cheeks pop while still maintaining a natural flush? Soft cream blushes blended into the skin as well as subtle bronzers and natural hue blushes are just what you need. Just remember that with this look, a little bit goes a long way. Natural hue lips. While one can still rock heavy red lipstick if they want, for those seeking a more natural sheen, lip balms, lip stains, and lip glosses will be the most sought after formulas. From soft pinks to light reds, and of course, nudes, barely there colors, are easy to pull off and provide a look that's simple and sophisticated. Well, that's it for today's video. Are you excited about the natural makeup looks that will be in for 2019? Leave us your comments on natural versus heavy makeup in the comments below, and we'll talk to you in the next one. Ciao, bellas!